Hello everyone, this is Andy Nguyen. Today we're going to be doing a quick little rundown of the most popular linear switches that I have on hand. Unfortunately, I do not have creams on hand. So today we're going to be looking at the Tangerine V2, R2, whatever the latest iteration from C3 is. Got them directly from TKC. Got some Gateron yellows, some Gateron ink blacks, and the alpaca, which is my personal favorite. In this array of switches, the ones that are lubed with 205 grade 0, and if they're filmed, I will let you know that they are. And I'm also using unwiped stems just so you can hear a comparison as to whether or not they're worth it to add to the switch cost. They do make things a little bit smoother, they change the sound signature a little bit, but you can decide whether or not it's worth the extra money. Before I put the caps on, let's just press the switches to see how they sound. For the rest of this video, all of the information will be on the screen, and you will no longer hear my voice, just some sweet, clacky goodness.